Good morning, students. Uh, Next concept, that is one internal reconstruction. Uh, Internal reconstruction, it refers to an alteration of share capital. See, according to Section 94 of the Companies Act, a limited company can, if authorized by its articles of association, alter the capital clauses of its memorandum of association in any of the following ways: increase its share capital by issue of new shares. According to accounting entries are the same, but consolidated all or part of its existing shares of a smaller amount into shares a larger amount. See, before that, first we clearly understand the concept of internal reconstruction. The internal reconstruction means the reduction of capital to cancel any paid up shares or paid up share capital which is lost or unrepresented by available assets. This is generally resorted to write-off of the past accumulated losses of the company. Internal reconstruction means the capital reduce. Internal reconstruction, internal name only it indicate internal within the organization, the company alter its share capital, reduce its share capital. See, this is generally resorted to write-off of the part of accumulated losses of the company. Accumulated losses na return off ಮಾಡಿ write off ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ನ ಅಥವಾ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ನ ಅಥವಾ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ನ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್, ರೈಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ರೀಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, reduction of capital is useful to accept when sanctioned by the court. This issued share capital of the company represent the security on which the creditors rely. The uncalled capital act as a future security for the company's creditors. Act as a future securities for the company's creditors. Therefore, any reduction of a capital reduce the security of all the creditors. See, ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾದಂತ ಸಾಲಗಾರರಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ನ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ನ ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ನ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ರೀಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ದ reduce means reduction of the share capital. However, in a genuine cases, a company is permitted to reduce its share capital by section 100 in any of the following ways. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಜಿನಿಯನ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕೆಳಕಂಡಂತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ನ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ 1956 ಆರ್ ಅಮೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ 2013 ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 100 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? Point number 1, by extinguish or reduce the liability of any of its shares in repeat the share capital not paid up. For example, capital of a company consists of the 2 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. 2 lakh number of equity shares. Each share value rupees 10. Okay. On which rupees 8 has been paid. Andre 2 lakh equity shares ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ each share value 10 rupees ಇದೆ, but which is rupees 8 has been paid. 10 rupees and 8 rupees payment ಆದರೆ remaining 2 rupees now being reduced at fully paid shares of rupees 8. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ? ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟಾರ್ಸ್ 2 lakh into 10, right? 2 lakh into 10 20 lakhs ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ನ ಅವರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು 2 lakh into 8 rupees fully paid ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಓನ್ಲಿ rupees 8 per share. So 2 lakh shares into 8 rupees, 8 to the 16 lakh. It goes to share capital account rupees 8, 16 lakh, being 2 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each, rupees 8 per share paid up, convert into 2 lakh equity shares of rupees 8 fully paid up. Okay, then second one, by paying off any paid up capital which is an excess of need for the company out of accumulated profit. Accumulated profit ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪನಿ accumulated profit ಇಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ನಮಗೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ 10% ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು 2 lakh into 8 ಅಂದಾಗ 16 lakh ಬರಬೇಕು 16 lakh being the amount to be repaid to shareholders on reduction of paid up capital. Shareholders account data to bank account. The court consult creditors for the first and second type of capital reduction. If someone credit are unwilling to give their consent to such capital reduction, the company will have to settle their clients before getting a sanction from the court. See, the court consent creditor for first and second type of capital reduction. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ where any paid up shares capital is being reduced without reducing the liability on the shares. For example, a shares of rupees 10 on which rupees 8 has been paid up is being reduced to shares of rupees 10, rupees 6 paid up. Again, entry share capital account data to capital reduction account. In this case, the court ordinarily gives the sanction for the type of capital reduction without consulting the creditors because creditors' interest is in no way affected by such sanction. Case number 4, where any paid up shares capital is being reduced or reducing the liability on the shares. For example, a shares of rupees 10 on which rupees 8 has been paid up is being reduced. A fully paid shares 8 rupees reduce agide adro share capital ge rupees 6 capital reduction ge rupees 2. See, for example, an example nodidre each share value rupees 10 but in which rupees 8 has been paid up, that is one share capital account 8 rupees. In the split fund nodadre being reduced to a fully paid shares of rupees 6 share capital account ke again 6 rupees hogude in the reduce agtade 8 rupees and 6 rupees hodre remaining balance is rupees 2 per share. This goes to its capital reduction account. Next, point number 5, by any other method approved by the court. Itare yavade reetiya method na court approve madre adunu ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Next one, accounting entries on internal reconstruction. Accounting entries on internal reconstruction. Number 1, when the face value of the shares is changed or the rate of dividends on preference shares is changed, it is treated as a change in the category of share capital. Entries irutte. Old share capital account data to new share capital account, the capital reduction account. See, old share capital account data to new share capital account to capital reduction account or reconstruction account. See, nimge class alli ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, but once again I'll repeat the same entries. Entry number 1, old share capital account data to new share capital account to capital reduction account. For example, old share 20,000 ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ new share capital ge 15,000, remaining balance 20,000 minus 15,000, remaining balance 5,000 goes to capital reduction account. Capital reduction account. Next, if the face value of the shares or the rate of dividend on preference shares is not changed on reduction of shares capital, it does not result in the change of the category of the share capital. Share capital account data to capital reduction account. Next, entry number 2, if any sacrifice has been made by creditors and debenture holders. Entry ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ entry creditors account data, debentures account data to capital reduction account. Next, entry number 3, if the value of the assets appreciated. See, appreciation as you know ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು more than the face value of the particular asset, more than the market value of the particular asset. Respective assets account, respective assets means furniture irbodu, land and building irbodu, right, for machinery irbodu, all the assets, any assets, respective assets means ಯಾವ assets appreciate ಆಗಿರೋ, these are all the assets, that are all the assets we are mentioned here. respective assets account data to capital reduction account. When any contingent liability, say sales tax, arises and is to be immediately, ಏನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸಿ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದರೆ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಏನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಟು ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪೇಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಓಕೆ, ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಕಂಟಿಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪೇಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. With next entry number 5, when amount of capital reduction is utilized for the write-off of the fictitious assets, past losses and excess value of the other assets. Entry see above entries, ಈ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಏನು 1 to 4th ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ವರೆಗೂ ನಾವೇನು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ all the 4 entries, above 4 entries, debit credit value of the capital reduction value. Last entry capital reduction account debit ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು 4th entry 1 to 4th entry ಏನೇನು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದೆಯೋ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ, ಆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, patent or trademark account, plant and machinery account, other assets to capital reserves account, balance amount. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂದ ಈ 50 assets ಏನಿದೆಯೋ 50 assets ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ದಿದೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ನ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, the amount to be written off cannot exceed the amount credited to capital reduction account. Capital reduction account. If any reserves appears on the liability side of the balance sheet, the same may be utilized in the written off of the accumulated losses and assets. See, first statement, the amount to be written off cannot exceed the amount credited to capital reduction account. ನಾವು ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೀಡಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ ಕೆನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. Capital reduction account. If any reserves appears on the liability side of the balance sheet, the same may be utilized in the written off of accumulated losses and assets. The amount written off or appreciated in respect of the fixed assets under the scheme of reconstruction must be shown for the 5 years in the balance sheet. The amount of written off or appreciated in the respective fixed assets under the scheme of reconstruction must be shown for 5 years in the balance sheet. 5 ವರ್ಷ ತನಕ ಅದನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ರೀಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇ ಆದ್ರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, the words and reduced should be added to the name of the company if directed by the court or such period as the court deems fit. Next, reorganization through surrender of shares. Under this method, shares are subdivided into smaller denominations and facilitate the capital reorganization. Shareholders are made to surrender a part of their holdings. Such surrendered shares are usually utilized to reduce or extinguish debentures and trade liabilities. The portion of the shares surrendered but not reissued are to be cancelled. The claims forgone by the creditors and debenture holders are transferred to capital reduction or reorganization account, which will be utilized to write off of losses. Thank you.